This is Makeup Battle Season 1, the ultimate contest of brains, beauty, and creativity. Each week, 2 artists will put their skills on display in front of a live virtual audience hosted by Picture Studios. The winner of this head-to-head battle will advance to the next round for a shot at our grand prize of $500. The contestants are ready, so let the games begin.
Hey everybody, I'm Crystal from Picture Studios, and this is Makeup Battle Season 1. I'm joined today by Kierra Paca and Shelby Bailey for a head-to-head makeup battle. Hi ladies. Welcome back. All right, before we begin, I'm pleased to announce that Mickey Nicole was the winner of last week's makeup battle. Mickey won 75% of the vote and had an average score of 4.55. Congratulations, Mickey. All right, I also want to send a special thank you to Kaylin, who did a great job as well. Today's contest is the second matchup of the Freestyle Round. During this round, the makeup artists will have the challenge of completing the same look as their opponent. The challenge for today's battle is Goth, using the colors black, white, and silver. Now let's meet our guests, starting with Kierra Paca. Hey, Kierra. How have you been since your last time on the show?
I've been great, just, working hard, practicing on my craft, still taking clients, beating faces, I've been good, though. I'm glad to be back.
Good. Happy to have you back. And Shelby, what have you been up to?
Not much. Just working, like I said, 2 jobs and then doing the show, so also practicing, doing my craft every day.
Okay, yeah. Busy ladies. All right, well, yes, glad to have you back as well. All right, let's start the show with Kierra's journal. This is the behind-the-scenes view of the goth look that she created at the studio. When the video is finished, we'll reveal the final look, and then Shelby will have a chance to critique it.
Hey guys, we're back at Picture Studios here in Greensboro, North Carolina to record episode 2 of the Makeup Battle Show. Thank you guys for all of your support on the first episode. Be sure you're following me on my Instagram and Twitter at Beat by Key. That's Key with 2 eyes if you want to see more makeup looks like the one we create today. Hi everyone, my name is Kierra Paca. I am a 25-year-old freelance makeup artist here in Greensboro, North Carolina. And today I am back at Picture Studios, a part of the Makeup Battle Show for episode 2, where I'll be bringing you guys along to create something I've never done before, which is a gothic makeup look using colors like black, silver, and white. I can't wait to see you guys' reaction to what I create. Be sure to stay tuned. Okay, you guys, for this look, I think I want to keep it pretty simple, but not simple, if that makes sense. I bought along my Elmer's glue stick because I'm trying to decide if I want to kind of take off the tail of my eyebrows to get more of that straight eyebrow that you see in most gothic looks. I am going to do a black lip. The only thing I'm trying to decide right now is if I'm going to do a smoked out liner or a cut crease with some silver glitter. So be sure to stay tuned to the end so you can see what I came up with. All right, y'all, it's been about 20 minutes and this is what we got going on the face. Instead of using the Elmer's glue, I decided to use my brow freeze and just push my brows all the way up and conceal underneath. So we're gonna get the brows like a really bushy, fluffy look today. The eyes, I just have a black shadow in that I am still currently blending out. And right now I'm mixing together some glitters in this little pan. So be sure to stay tuned so you can see what's next. Just wanted to pop in and give everyone a quick update. So right now the eyes are done. Well, they're not done, they're done for now. I went ahead and moved on to the face, but for the eyes, like I said, I mixed some black and silver glitter and put that on the mobile lid. I have some lashes that I popped on. I am going to continue on this look on the bottom lash line after I do my face, but the foundation is on. I'm highlighting and contouring right now. And for my contour stick, I'm using a cooler tone foundation stick from Makeup Revolution, just so I can get those really cool contour shades, and it'll help tie in with this whole gothic grungy look. So stay tuned, and when you guys see me next, I should have a finished face and I'll be moving on to the bottom lashes. All right, guys, so this is the final look. On the bottom lashes, I went ahead and applied some white mascara just to make them pop and stand out. I also went and put on a liquid lip in the color Caviar, and it's just really pretty black matte look. Again, the eyebrows have some brow freeze in them and really not that much brow product actually. I just want them to stand up and be really bushy and full. I added some black eyeshadow on a little detailer brush and pulled that under the eyes just to give the eyes that like sleepy kind of hollowed out look with those gray tones. Yeah, I had a lot of fun creating this look. Again, I've never done anything like this, so I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I enjoyed creating it for you.
All right, Kierra, how did you come up with your goth look?
I'm gonna be honest, I had to look at a lot of TikToks and Instagram pictures just for some inspiration, just because this is a look that I've never done before. I don't normally play with a lot of black eyeshadow just because I still struggle with that, but I have a lot of fun with glitter, and so I was like, okay, I want this to be goth, and I'm gonna use the colors, but I also want it to be like cute and sexy, so that's the kind of look that I was going for.
I think you got it. I love the glitter, of course. I love glitter, all glitter, everything. I love that, and I love the white mascara under your eye. I think that was probably like my favorite. I love the entire look, but that was my favorite one. I thought that was great. All right, Shelby, are you ready to critique it?
Yeah. I mean, you took the words right out of my mouth. I loved the little white under the eyes. That was so cute. And the glitter, like it's a nice little pop, black. So I liked it. Overall, something stuck with me last week when Mickey said it's hard to critique art form. So that was like how you interpreted the golf, and I liked it. I appreciate a good art. So yeah, it was a good look. Yeah, for sure.
All right, now it's time for Shelby's journal. This is a behind-the-scenes view of the goth look that she created in the studio. When the video is finished, we'll reveal the final look, and then Kierra will have a chance to critique.
It's your girl Shelby from Charlotte, North Carolina, born and raised. Today's look is gonna be probably one of my favorites. It's gonna be a goth look, only using the colors black, silver, and white. So let's dive into it so we can do some fun with this, okay? Alright, so for me personally, when I do my makeup, since I'm usually more on like the natural side, just kind of accentuate, I do my face first with moisturizer and primer. But today, since we're doing like a goth look and I'm going to be doing heavier on the eyes, we're going to start with the eyes first. So anytime you're going to put color on eyes, use primer. Oops, that's dirty as hell. Oh. Sorry. It's in my X, since you can read it with all my stuff on it. The pigment primer, one of my favorites. So I know some people are worried about like using their, brushes to put it on their face, but honestly, your ring finger works fine. So you're just gonna take that and apply it all the way from the baseline to the top. You want to go all the way to the brows for the look that we're going to be doing today, okay? And if you have some to spare on that finger, go ahead and rub the lash line, because that lash line is going to be covered as well. So you're going to just repeat that on the other side. Alright, here we're about 20 minutes in. I know I don't have a lot done. I've just been doing heavy on the eyes, because that is what our main focus is. So Alright, we're about an hour into it right now. I'm just doing some contouring. I'm gonna get my lips done, my lashes on, and then the final look will be back. Alright, this is my finished goth look. I went with like a Victorian style theme mixed with the new school. Hope you guys enjoy.
All right, Shelby, what was the inspiration for your look?
Kind of like a Victorian goth. You know, those were three of my main colors. I feel like I mostly own black, and now definitely went through that phase in high school of like, you know, smoky eyes, maybe a little goth choker. I probably did that like more in middle school. So, but yeah, it was more of a Victorian style, like vampire goth almost to me. I don't know. It's my favorite type if I had to categorize different types or styles of gothic people or how they dress or whatever. But yeah, that's how I got my inspiration. And I was loving the white, so I was feeling it.
I could tell. I loved the use of the white eyebrows. I loved everything. Lips, and my favorite part was the hair. I was like, is this Shelby? Hair? Look at that. And then the necklace, you know, you really made the look come together.
Thank you. I really appreciate that.
Great. All right, Kierra, are you ready to critique it?
Yes. I was just about to say what you said, Krista, about the hair. I love that you continue to look just like past your face, like adding the choker, adding the hair, like, because I was thinking like, what kind of props can I use? And I'm obviously not that creative, but you took that look to another level. Like, I love the cross on the cheek, even the details down to like underneath your wing. That was bomb. And
Thank you.
like on the blending, like with that silver and those tones, did a real good job, girl.
Thank you. I really appreciate that. That's very sweet. Oh, makes me feel blush.
All right, guys. I want to thank everybody for watching Makeup Battle Show Season 1. Make sure you tune in next week when we announce the winner of today's matchup. Next week, we'll have a competition between Gavin and Shabrika, so be sure to follow our official hashtag, Makeup Battle Show, for updates. Bye.
Bye.